Hello, I'm Helmi, Carro's head mechanic. Today I'm going to show you how to replace light bulbs in your headlamp. When you drive at night, the light bulbs in your headlights are the beacon that paves you way home. Driving with a faulty or dying light bulb can be really dangerous. That's why it's important for you to learn how to replace so that you don't have to drive down to the workshop every time it starts to die. Here's how to replace your headlight bulb in just a few minutes. Let's go! First, you need to locate the faulty light bulb. Unlock the bulb by turn from the headlamp. Unlock the wire connector from the bulb. When replacing with a new bulb, make sure that you are wearing gloves or do not touch the glass area, because if there is dust on the glass area, when it heats up, it may burst. Connect the wire connector onto the bulb. Install it into the headlamp unit, twist and turn it to lock into position. That's about it. If you need help with any car repairs, do come visit us at Sin Ming Auto City. Before you go, don't forget to click the subscribe button for more DIY car maintenance, repair guides, car reviews, and many more.
Carro!